look, why are we all in this game? Why are we all investing? Why are we not sleeping at night in the bear markets or the bull markets? In fact, we never sleep. Why are we all completely exhausted? It's because this is the opportunity and we all know it. And so why are we doing that? It's really for lifestyle. It's our future lifestyle or our present lifestyle. Because if not, that's a weird thing to do to yourself, the amount of pain you have to take to do this. So normally it's for lifestyle. So what people regret is saying, I could have paid off my house last cycle, but I didn't. Now, I also get that you don't want to take all of your chips off the table, your tokens. So have goals that are achievable lifestyle-wise that you may end up parting with 50%. If it makes a big difference to your life, that's a bank. Your lifestyle is the bank.
Wait a minute, everyone. We all agree that the crypto market never sleeps, but with countless newsletters out there, how do you choose the best one for you? BitcoinZella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to BitcoinZella today and enjoy the new edge. In today's video, Raoul talks about his experience working in traditional finance, how he became interested in taking crypto seriously, why NFTs are at the top of the pyramid, how to get ahead in this new technology, and more. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Most people, I can see it already scared of the down cycle to come because they've all got PTSD of the last one. But if you want to go to the OGs of this space, the Dan Moreheads, the Wences Caceres, all of these guys, they didn't give a fuck. They just rode it and added into the down cycles, and they've compounded massive wealth. And there's many people who are not public who've done the same. But most people fear the downside more than thinking there's opportunity. Even though it never feels great, I was excited about it in 2022 because it meant I could add to my positions at great levels and compound. So then you get back to an all-time high much sooner than everybody else who's just done nothing. So that's really interesting. And so time horizon is super important. If you just don't want to deal with the downside because your psychology doesn't allow you to do it, that's fine. You need to really think that thing through. Now, what happens is people lose their fucking minds in a bull market and in a bear market. In a bear market, they get rid of all their tokens. They say, never again. This is the worst thing I've ever done. And in a bull market, they end up buying too much shit, stupid shit. And really, to not fuck up the movement from 2.5 trillion to 10 trillion to 100 trillion is to own the highest quality assets and do nothing. Now, we all have an inner degen somewhere within us. So allow yourself a bit of space to do that. You know, I've got positions in dog whiff, hat and bonk and, you know, you name it. But when I look back in my portfolio, it's probably 1%. But I look at it on the screen all day. I'm checking the whiff price all day. It's ridiculous. It's 1% because the rest is just a buy and hold long-term position.
Bitcoin price has declined by more than 8% over the last 3 days after rallying to $72,000 at the start of the week. Bitcoin's price drop coincides with an unexpected market response to the approval of the spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETF, in the United States on May 23. The approval's sell-on-the-news effect has left market participants wondering how much deeper the drawdown can go before a sustained recovery is seen. Let's explore how low Bitcoin price can go in the ongoing corrective cycle. Crypto trader and analyst Mags noted that BTC's recent rally was rejected from the major resistance near the $73,835 all-time high, saying that the price is likely to consolidate near $65,000 before making another attempt at recovery. BTC is facing some resistance near the range high, expecting some consolidation near the mid-range, $65,000, before another leg up. Fellow analyst George attempted to decipher whether the BTC price had reached a local bottom. Drawing comparisons to the recent correction from the March 14 all-time high, he said that the lows around $60,000 would be a nice place to target or to look for longs. It's either from here or from the blue zone. It's literally that simple. Bitcoin is consolidating, and it's within the range, said MN Capital's founder, Michael van de Poppe, reacting to what has become a familiar event in short time frames for Bitcoin since the halving. Van de Poppe explained that this includes dollar cost averaging and capital rotation from Bitcoin to Ether, causing a longer sideways period. Probably that consolidation will be taking place for a longer period, and I suspect we might see $61, $63K even.
And then I see a lot of people trying to be overly cute by saying, oh, I'm going to own this underappreciated crypto like Cardano or XRP or whatever. Fine. But you're taking a risk that they're not going to appreciate the same as the proven assets. Now, the proven assets keep trending. If I look at the compound rate of growth, the annualized rate of growth, Bitcoin's 150%. ETH, since 2012, ETH is 180, about 160, 70%, something like that, since 2015, 16. And that's per year. I mean, this is bananas returns. And then Solana's like 200. And that was a snapshot in February before. I mean, many of these aren't at all-time highs yet. So the returns from just owning the top assets is so good. Now, I also understand that a lot of people may only have 10 grand worth of savings. So they think, well, you know, even if Bitcoin goes to 1 million, that's a 14x. So I've got 140 grand. Can that even get me a deposit on a house? Is that a retirement saving? I get it. So people really want to take more risk, but just do it intelligently. And that's how not to fuck this up. Because if you turn your 10 grand into zero and you do it every crypto cycle, which many, many, many people did, you know, the NFT cycle destroyed a lot of people, and a lot of people got destroyed in just all of the kind of super early stage speculative stuff. We've all got wallets of shame, so it's not like any of us are any better. We all have the wallet of shame. And don't use leverage is the other one. That's the other thing that people tend to do is they love getting a yield. I don't see the point. See, yields have risks. They come with a risk. Even staking yields, it often means if you're not liquid staking, you've locked it up. If it's liquid staking, there's the risk of the platform, of Lido or whoever else going under, or something happening, right? Something unexpected. And in crypto, something unexpected always happens. Having leverage on a 70% volatility asset class is a very, very dangerous thing. Most likely, you will lose control of your coins. Your one job is not to lose control of your coins. That's why storage is super important. Your one job is not let go of your coins. Keep it for that 5 or 10 year bet, and your future self will thank you forever for doing it.
Bitcoin's reaccumulation phase starts a few weeks before the halving and is associated with downside volatility occurring below the reaccumulation range. It ends with a breakout from it a few weeks later. This phase can extend up to 150 days, roughly 5 months, according to popular analyst Rect Capital. With Bitcoin being rejected from the current reaccumulation range high of approximately $71,500, the analyst said the price of the flagship cryptocurrency may continue consolidating within the range, extending from $60,000 to $70,000 for several more weeks. The consolidation continues, and history suggests it will continue for several more weeks between $60,000 and $70,000. Rect Capital has previously explained that the range will be over once the BTC breaks out from it, entering a parabolic uptrend, adding, "The goal now is for Bitcoin to move sideways to catch a breather, for the market to cool off after a fantastic pre-halving price performance. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.